as more travels, come along and see the open road adventure and sweet simplicity. Campfires glowing, wheels keep rolling on. We're living the dream where we belong.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all a bit of an update on where we're at with the water ingress saga with the motorhome. Now, I left it on the last one that I'd been in touch with M&C and basically reiterated our concerns and told them that we'd still like a replacement. However, if repair was the only option, that there were several things that we would like before we agreed to any kind of repairs. So we've had a reply, and it wasn't from M&C's service department, which is who I've been communicating with. This one came from Stephen, who's the guy that actually owns M&C. And I'll be honest with you, he is being proactive, supportive and honest with us. Now, sadly, I can't say the same about Rimor or Trigano, who own Rimor, but I'll get to that a little bit later on. So, what we've had from Stephen, he has confirmed that Rimor have agreed the warranty claim, which is good news. So it's not going to cost us anything. He has outlined the full repair plan, which is basically what I've explained before, taking off the front end and replacing all the bits that are rotten. And they have acknowledged that there are damp issues in several other motorhomes. And basically what he said was that if anybody with one of these Rimors with this issue gets in touch with M&C, they will do a free check and work on a plan going forward. And also, the more people that do this would be a good thing, because he also stated that they're working with Rimor to try and get a possible recall of these vehicles in the autumn. So if you're watching this and you've got a Rimor that's got a water ingress problem, get in touch with M&C and we'll hopefully get all these vehicles recalled and Rimor to do something about it. So obviously I asked for a few things if repair was the only option. They have agreed to an independent damp survey, both before and after any repairs. They have agreed to extend our water ingress warranty. I think he called it a go anywhere warranty extension for 12 months. So as it stands at the moment, there's 2 years left on the warranty. After the repairs, they would extend that by a further 12 months, so we'd have another 3 years, which to my mind would give us a good indication 3 years down the line. If we haven't had any more problems, then it's fine. So I'm happy with that. And then obviously the other bits and pieces, the fuel to get down there for repairs, the free head, the HAB check and all the rest of it. Now, all of these things, that's about £1,300 worth of goodwill compensation, and that's coming from M&C, not Rimor at all. And basically any of the blue fix stuff, none of that's going to need to come off, so that wouldn't be a problem. Now, in my opinion, I don't think we can ask any more from Stephen. He has been honest. He's even invited me to give him a telephone call. He's given me his mobile number, and he is clearly trying to do the right thing, and we do appreciate that. Moving on to the manufacturer. Now, this is the flip side. Stephen did say in the email that anything other than what M&C have offered would need to come from Rimor, i.e. the compensation for depreciation and things like that. So what I did is I emailed both Rimor and Trigano a full email detailing the problems and what I would like and all the rest of it, and I gave them 2 weeks to respond. Zip. Nada. Nothing. Neither company could be bothered to even respond, which to my mind says a great deal about the type of company you're dealing with. It really does. I think it's disgusting. So where are we with this? Well, at the moment we are very happy with M&C. They are trying to resolve things, but we are still being cautious. This is where I need your help, guys. As I said earlier, M&C have agreed to an independent inspection prior to any repairs and after any repairs. Now, I have tried a few companies up here in the northeast with no joy. So what I'm asking basically is if anybody out there knows of any companies that would be able to do this type of inspection for us, and let us know whether the repairs that M&C are proposing will solve our issue, I would be very, very appreciative of that. If you can drop that in the comments, let us know if you know of anybody that we can get in touch with to get this done. We are prepared to travel. Like I said, I've tried the northeast and I've not had a lot of success. So if you know anyone, we are prepared to travel, and just drop it in the comments. Let us know if you know anyone that can help us out with this. So that's exactly where we're at with this saga at the moment. Thanks again to everybody that watched, commented, let us know what issues they're having on the last video. A big thank you to Stephen at M&C. We do appreciate the transparency and the effort. And a little message to Rimor and Trigano: if you're watching this, it's time to step up, because your customers, us, and all the others with these issues deserve a damn sight better than what you're doing at the moment. So on that note, guys, we'll leave it here. If we get any further updates, we will let you know where we get with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.